video. So today I will wash a car. As you know, in my area most one has touched it, and the first point of most one was pretty heavy, so the car was pretty dirty. And now I will wash it. So now we will spray the car with water. Water. Okay, what's that? As you can see, I have put the cup with water. So guys, as you can see, this is a cup of water. The purge, the water in it. So first when you open a cup, there will be all these. But only to wash a car once, you only need one of these. So please note, to open it, you may need a scissor because it is lightweight with that. Now just pour this water, liquid in. Just put it. I'll just it inside. Don't use too much water. Just use a little bit of water. Okay. Now here I have two kinds of tube. The first one is a sponge, and second is a pipe. So first I put the sponge inside. Now let's start from the windshield. Yes, you can even use a wiper, but the wiper may not reach some areas of the car. But it may to reach some areas if you are trying to. So the wiper will have last 10, and now just use one. I want to start YouTube. So as you can see, on the judge, it's kind of there. I know. No, there's one that is a little nice place. You can just let it go down and okay. Next the car, and now I will spray the car with water again. So the shampoo will get down because of the water, and then we will be able to wipe the water off. We will need an adult to put the water in the roof of the car. You will of course need a dog to put the water in front of the car, in the roof of the car, because you might not be able to reach it. with it. I can't shoot the water up. The other part then on this jersey and voila. So it's done. I will do the same thing on the body of the car. You can look right there. Shh. And voila. Done. Now I have washed the car completely, and you guys can see the before and after results. That's easy. And guys, if you like this video and you want more videos like this, or like my experiments, or any topic, just turn it down and hit the bell icon. Thank you.